This presentation is brought to you by Brilliant at Brilliant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. The following describes how to use Churp on an Apple Watch for blind and low vision individuals. Presented to you by Brilliant. Please visit our website at Brilliant.org.
Hello, this is Taylor Runyon. This is a recording of using messages on Apple Watch. So today I will be showing you how to use Churp, which is a Twitter client for the Apple Watch. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open up Churp. And the way we do that is we simply tap the Apple Watch and
Messages.
And I know my Apple Watch is about to die, so I'll, hey Siri, battery.
Watch is at 6%.
Okay, and I can push the
Messages. Now playing. Messages. Remove. Activate. Now set. Churp. Churp.
and there's Churp.
Settings. Messages. Now setting. Churp. Messages.
That screensaver is a killer.
Messages. Now settings. Churp. Swipe up or down to select activity. Settings. Phone. Breathe. Voice record. All app. Voice. Breathe. Phone. Now. Message. Churp. Churp. Message. Churp. Churp.
Churp for some reason is not working.
Messages.
Another way you can check
Watch face.
is to check if the apps are installed on your device. And the way to do that is you simply go to your iPhone. Okay, so I've retrieved my phone, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the app from my phone.
6 notifications. Facebook. Grouped. 38 minutes.
Open Churp.
Settings. Chirp tipping. Chirp pro. Tipping jar.
And indeed, Churp is on my phone. Now what I'll do is I'll go back to the watch.
837. Moving. 100 dock. Chirp. Swipe up or down to select a custom. Open Chirp on your iOS device to finish setup. Open Chirp on your iOS device to finish setup.
Open Churp. And this is the required thing to do.
Chirp Pro. Tipping special things. Button on your iOS device to finish setup.
Then again, I have launched the Churp application, and now I'm ready to log back in and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply
Twitter BTN Signin. Button.
Twitter sign in,
Setting
double tap
up.
on that, setting up,
Address.
and it's going to take me to a website from Twitter itself. It's going to have me sign in. This is the required step that you need to do. Swipe through. Okay, and I'm going to enter in my information, and I'm going to type in the Brilliant username for Twitter, and it should be all right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Apple Watch again.
8:41. Moving. 108 dock. Chirp. Chirp. Swipe up or down. Home. Trending.
And the compose tweet option is in a really awkward place. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to keep scrolling.
Trending. Message. Lists. Likes.
Open in likes,
Likes.
press and hold,
Post tweet.
click on compose tweet.
Emoji picker. Emote. Scribble. Dictate. Can dictate.
You can dictate. Hello, period. I am making a video, on how to post tweets using my Apple Watch using Twitter. I'm going to double tap.
On how to post tweets using my Apple Watch using Twitter, I'm gonna double tap with 2 fingers. Button.
And let's say I want to edit that. I can double tap it.
Hello. I am making a video. Replace. Button. Mention someone. Replace.
Hello, period. I am making a video on how to post using my Apple Watch on Churp platform for Twitter.
Cancel. Post. Button.
And I click post. And I got a notification on my phone telling me that a Twitter notification just rang out from Brilliant that's telling me that my Chirp account, that now I've posted a tweet that says, hello, I'm making a video on how to post on Twitter using the Chirp platform on Apple Watch. I'll tap the watch face.
Brilliant. Hello.
And
I am making a video. Watch face.
into the watch face, and that is all I have to cover. It is some steps setting up. It is going to be some a lot of steps setting up your apps. But as soon as your apps are set up properly, they will work just fine. And that is today's tutorial.
This has been a presentation by Brilliant at brilliant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. If you like this video, please click the like button. And for more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.